Greetings, health enthusiasts, and welcome to Natural Lifestyle Remedies, your trusted source for all natural ways to enhance your health and well-being. Today, we embark on a flavorful journey, exploring the health benefits of incorporating cilantro into our diets. This common herb packs a punch when it comes to potential health benefits. If you find today's topic informative, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Today, we delve into the world of herbs, specifically focusing on cilantro, a common ingredient with a wealth of health benefits. Cilantro, also known as coriander, is a herb that is widely used in various cuisines around the world. Its origins trace back to the Mediterranean and Western Asia, where it has been cultivated for thousands of years. With its unique, pungent flavor, cilantro has become a staple in Mexican, Indian, and Middle Eastern dishes. But there's more to this leafy green than meets the palate. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins A, C, and K, along with minerals like potassium and manganese, cilantro is a nutritional powerhouse. Numerous scientific studies echo the same, substantiating the herb's health benefits. Now that we've got a grasp of what cilantro is, let's explore how it interacts with our body when we consume it. Incorporating cilantro into your diet can bring about numerous health benefits. Let's delve deeper into how this flavorful herb impacts your body. Firstly, cilantro is well known for its detoxifying properties. It's rich in antioxidants, which help in neutralizing harmful free radicals in our body. Studies have shown that cilantro can even facilitate the removal of heavy metals from our body, thereby promoting overall wellness. Secondly, cilantro can contribute to heart health. It's packed with potassium, a vital mineral that helps control blood pressure levels. Furthermore, the antioxidants in cilantro also help in reducing inflammation, a major contributor to heart diseases. Next, cilantro aids in digestion. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, enhancing the breakdown of food and absorption of nutrients. This can lead to improved gut health and can alleviate digestive issues such as bloating and discomfort. Lastly, cilantro may play a role in regulating blood sugar levels. Some research suggests that cilantro extracts can stimulate insulin production, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. This could potentially be beneficial for those managing diabetes. Clearly, cilantro is more than just a flavorful herb. It's a natural remedy that can help enhance our health in various ways. In conclusion, the humble cilantro is packed with a punch when it comes to health benefits. It's a potent source of antioxidants, aids in digestion, and can even help detoxify your body. Why not give it a try? Incorporate cilantro into your meals and experience these health benefits firsthand. Remember, your health is your wealth. Stay tuned to Natural Lifestyle Remedies for more insights on natural health remedies. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and share it with your friends and loved ones. Thanks for watching.